Today's video is about a new feature launched by the Income Tax Department, which is known as the discard return. So, according to this feature, an individual is allowed the liberty to delete or discard their previously filed income tax returns, which have not yet been verified. And once we discard the return and file a new ITR in place of the discarded return, it is treated as a new ITR and not a replacement of the original ITR. So, two things to be kept in mind while using the discard feature or discard return feature is: number one, the return should not be verified. The return that is to be discarded should not be verified in either online or offline mode. Once you verify the return, this option will not be available. This option is available for financial returns starting from financial year 2022-23 onwards. That is, any return filed from 1st April 2023 onwards, this feature will be available. Now, if we have filed an ITR under section 139 subsection 1 and we discard the same and the subsequent return filed is after the due date of filing of the return for that financial year, then it would be treated like a belated return and it would attract the implications of section 234F. That is, if I have filed the original return under section 139 subsection 1, that is within the due date, and I discard this return and file a new return after the due date of filing the return, then it would attract the implications of section 234 subsection 234F, and penalty will be applicable likewise. Now I have an example. Suppose we are taking financial year 2022-23. I have filed my original return on 20th July 2023. And I discard this return and file a new return in place of this on 10th August 2023. That is after the due date. This is after the due date. That is 31st July 23. This new return will be treated as filed under section 139 subsection 4 and will be known as a belated return. However, if I have filed my original return on 20th July and I file my discarded return, I discard my return and file a new return on 30th July 2023, that is before the due date, then this return will be treated as filed under 139 subsection 1, that is, it will be treated as an original ITR only. This feature is going to be really beneficial to the taxpayers. Now, how this feature is to be accessed, you simply have to log in on income tax portal. There you have to navigate to the option e-file. From there you will go to income tax returns. After clicking on income tax return, your returns will pop up. From there, you have to click on the button E-Verify ITR. And after that, you will see an option of discard. This will be available only if you have not e-verified your return yet. I hope this video is helpful to you. For any further queries, you can DM us.